Hi my Donnas, today I am going to do a video for Dimes. I just got my 2 packages from Dimes as I'm getting ready to go on my vacation. I decided to grab a few things. I see Dimes with some lovely stuff, and I also purchased some other stuff from some other queens. I said this year I'm going to support mostly black-owned business. Most of my clothes them that I'm wearing, I'm buying them from black-owned businesses. So I saw Dimes posted this the other day, and I want to try it. So this is one. I purchased this stuff from Dimes. Right, so this jacket here is something that I purchased to wear because I have this thing under my arm that I just did the surgery. So I want to wear, I don't want to wear sleeveless just yet until it's fully healed. So, yeah, let's open this one. Yeah, Dimes logo. Okay, so I actually have a top like this already in one of my closets, but it's a different look. I purchased this top from her. Yeah, love the quality. And I purchased this suit from her. Yeah. And this. Jumpsuit. Yes, these are the kind of stuff that I love. I love palazzo. I have a thing for palazzo. Hopefully this thing, I love this. Yeah, girl, you got me. And this lovely necklace. Purchase this lovely necklace. Yeah, that's it. I gotta clean up, but I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna try on every piece and let you guys see. Love the outfit. The pants is lovely. Oh my god. But the top is a little bit too short. Larger, sorry. The top should be larger. It's not staying down. As soon as I let it go, it right up over my boobs. I'm gonna have on a bra. So, yeah, I'm put on my bra. It wears not gonna stay. Oh my god, I love this. Woohoo! 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 Yes, watch that. Watch girl with body and shit. I guess maybe because my belly too high right there, so too. The blouse just nasty. I love this pants so much. Oh my god, I love the top too. Dimes, you will have to get the top bigger for me. Alright, let's show you the other one. Come here, get carried away. Okay. So my pantsuit, yeah. My baby, you're tucking in your belly. Oh, tucking in your belly. When you know your belly no bang, you know so you feel my belly bang. Yes, it bang. Bang, 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 bing, bang, bang. Yeah. That is it. Love this too. Next one. Yeah, so this is my top. Let me show you something, guys. So this, oh, I'm gonna sell this to Gracie. I'm gonna sell this this to Gracie. Yeah. The reason being, right here, my hips them very, not my hips, my waist broad and my shoulder broad. You understand? So it goes up to my leg and my leg them thick. But here so is the entrance to put it in. It will fit me, but because, hold on there, I don't see any other way how to put it on but right here. It now gonna go up. It now gonna go up. It now gonna go on me through here. Through right here, the neck. It now gonna go up and I don't want to burst it out. But it will fit. I could tell you it can fit me. But I'm afraid to pull it up over my neck and bust it. So that one, I'm gonna try it on, okay? But that's what it is. I love this top times. I love my clothes. You know how I'm gonna go crazy over this, right? But it's okay, I'm gonna sell it to Gracie. Yeah, bust a seal on Gracie right now. That is it. Thank you, Dimes. Love me Palazza. Love everything. Oh, well, call me. Goodbye, guys. So I got a phone call, but I did not finish. Thank you so much, Dimes, for my outfit. I love this top. You can't tell me something. Me not wear the original GG. I do have original too, but you can't tell me say this. You know, look no different from the original. I have original, but you can't tell the difference. Okay, so why not go and support Queen Dimes? At least you get my little chop-ons. As she forget it. I know them. That is it. As she forget my little chop-ons. You know what I mean? And start give it to them when already have it. And make it. Anyways, I'm going to do some work now on my computer. Big up with a nice clean self. And go support Dimesmillionboutique.com.